is Abhishek from GadgetReviews.com, and I would like to tell you about my experience with the new Zenfone Max Pro, which I have used for some time, and I would like to talk about 3 main features which I really like about this phone. The first thing is the amazing hardware. It comes with Snapdragon 636, which is a very powerful hardware, and it comes along with this phone. It gives good performance to this phone and great power as well. It has got a very smooth UI, and the multitasking experience has been very smooth as well. It comes with a huge battery over there, which can give you around 2 days of backup easily, and you don't have to charge the phone. So this phone is going to launch on 23rd of April, 12:30 PM only on Flipkart. Don't miss it.